Guys, I'm Randy. This is Show Me Tint. I want to talk to you a little bit about your new purchase you made today, your vinyl wrapped car. Are you excited? Are you hyped? I know you are. I love it. I love this. I love it when you guys get to pick them up. It's my favorite time because everybody's so hyped about their new toy. Got one behind me, wrapped purple, super cool. One over here you can't quite see, it's blue. No big deal. There's one in the back that I can't show you quite yet, but it's crazy. Anyway, so I want to show you a little bit about what's going on. I want to tell you how to take care of your new vinyl wrap. Let me try to go through a few things that commonly run into. The first thing we start talking about when you picked up your vehicle would be how to care for it, how to wash it. Wraps, they're durable, but they're also high maintenance. Not in a bad way, but to keep your wrap looking optimal, you got to take care of it. You know what I mean? You just dropped a bunch of money on it. You want it to look nice. We want it to look nice. We want our work out there looking good. What we always recommend is no automatic car washes. At least touch-free car washes. You don't want to make sure, you want to make sure the brushes aren't beating up your wrap. Those brushes can severely scratch your vinyl wrap, but also your paint. So even if it was just not wrapped, I'd say don't do that. Don't do that to your car. But it can terribly destroy your new purchase. So make sure that you're staying away from those. We gave you some wax and some rinse. So that's not the only way to wash your car. Obviously you want to use, a lot of people like their foam cannons and they like all kinds of washes. I'll run through a touchless automatic car wash in my own vehicle, and then I'll run it and I'll hit it some with spray wax and I'll clean it right up real quick. Most generally you can get away with that. You just got to watch out for like the edges and the corners, so when you're pressure washing your vehicle, that can be just as dangerous. You get that pressure washer too close, what's going to happen is it's going to blow a hole right in your wrap, and then you're going to call me back and be like, hey, can you come fix this? And I'll be like, absolutely, come on back. You know what I mean? But you just don't want to go through that whole traumatizing experience. Trust me, when people call me that, it's panic. Oh my God, freaked out. The best way to do that is to get a system that you're probably used to already, which is some kind of touch-free wash. Once you get that water start mopping up, we give you a bead maker wax, which you can find that on Amazon. I'll show you that real quick. So this is bead maker wax. I don't know if you can read the label. Bead maker wax. I don't get a plug from them yet, but one day they're going to want to link up with me. No big deal. We use it on our personal vehicles. We probably gave it to you in a bottle that looks like this. You know what I mean? This doesn't work. Hang on. Yeah, something like that. Maybe one of these. That's the one we want right there. So mist it on, wipe it off with your little microfiber towel, which we probably also included. So make sure that you keep your panels nice and shiny. We also included a little bit of rinse. This is what they call a wash and shine, but it's like a no rinse wash. Also on Amazon, we'll have a link on there for you. This is just something like, I always use an example like bird poop. You walk out to your freshly wrapped car and you've got some bird poop sitting on it. You need to wash it off ASAP. You know what I mean? You don't want that stuff sitting on there. You wouldn't want it even on your paint. So you break that out of your car, rinse it off, hit it with your spray wax, you're good to go. So hopefully I don't make that sound too complicated. It's super important to take care of your wraps. We want them looking good. We do a lot of them. The number one thing to do is to make sure that you're care for it correctly, which is keeping it clean, not pressure washing it, not beating it with a brush. I had this one guy that would take the brush out of the car wash and scrub it down. He'd call me like, this stuff keeps breaking. And I'm like, yeah, like you keep beating it up with a brush, dude. Anyway, so it can chip like paint. It can scratch like paint. That the only thing that it does it a little differently is it can come loose. So you want to make sure that being mindful of the edges and stuff. But if you look at that back there, it looks amazing. It looks like paint. We wrap all the edges underneath, but you can catch an edge. So if you're doing a lot of highway mileage and stuff, you may want some paint protection film on there. There's going to be a video for paint protection care. You'll have to check that out. And then there's also like ceramic coatings and stuff we do on there to help with maintenance, which will also have a video for that. So you can go through and kind of learn the care for each one of those. But paint protection just helps you with impact of rock chips, and then the ceramic coating is going to help with overall care and maintenance of the vehicle. Just enjoy it, you know what I mean? Flex on some people. Go drive around, look cool. I mean, that's why you did it. It's super fun. I love wrapping cars. I love helping people express themselves. I'm thankful that you let us help you express yourself. It's so much fun. I love it. I absolutely love it. So if you have any questions about your purchase, or even if you didn't get it from us and you have some wrap issues going on, comment on there. I'll be glad to help you out. Just let me know. We're here to help. We love the car community. We're happy to be a part of it. So, thanks for checking this video out. I hope it was helpful. And if you have any questions, hit me up. We appreciate you here at Show Me Tint. Thank you.